Phew, what a scorcher. We're not used to this in the UK, but we're probably going to have to get more used to it. So I'm going to talk today about reflecting the sunlight from your windows during the day. Now I've got 3 different methods of this, and they all use silvery bubble wrap stuff that you can get from a lot of DIY shops. My method for skylights uses some inner tube from bicycles. So get along to a bicycle shop and ask if they've got any old inner tubes that they're throwing away. Cut a piece of the foil to just the right size, or in fact slightly larger than the size you need for your skylight. And you might need to stick 2 together, or staples work quite well as well. And cut some loops of inner tube to go around and hold them on. And you should be able to actually shut the windows with the inner tube loops on the skylight, holding on the silver foil. If your skylight is quite sloping, then you'll probably find the silver foil will slide out. You can remedy this by using the staples again and making a tube for the inner tube to go through. That should hold things on. If you can only insulate the inside, particularly like upstairs windows, here's a method my partner thought up. Again, you cut a piece of foil to the right size and get it so you can roll it up and down, and put some string or ribbon or something nice behind it so you can roll it up and tie it up. So at night you can roll it up, open the windows and let the cool in, and during the day roll it down. You might want to put like a piece of wood across the bottom or something to weight it down, stop it flapping up. The final thing I do on my downstairs windows that I can reach anyway is that I've made a wooden frame, and you guessed it, more aluminium foil stuff, insulation, and I've used a staple gun to staple this around a wooden frame that I've made, and I've made the frame just the right size to fit over the windows. So that's very easy to put up and take down during the day and during the night, so I can open the windows at night. I hope that helps you keep your house a bit cooler. We've really noticed a difference.